Disc 3. Diesel engine cycle and components. 1. Basic principle, 4-stroke and 2-stroke. 2. Basic components. 3. 4-stroke and 2-stroke operation. Let us look basic principle, 4-stroke and 2-stroke diesel. This is one cylinder of diesel engine. This knob uses direct injection. It is an internal combustion engine with the 5 events common to all. Unlike the petrol engine, air around enters into the cylinder into intake stroke. 2. Compression. Compression, forcing air into a small volume. This compression heat the air. At the end of this stroke is diesel engine fuel is injected into the combustion chamber. 3. Ignition. Burning the mixture, it is just the heat of compression ignite the fuel. That's why diesel are called compression ignition engine. Power. Where the pressure is generated, force to turn the crankshaft. Exhaust. Removing out the expelled gases. This brings the system back where ready for another cycle. Let us look 2-stroke diesel engine. It is an internal combustion engine with the 5 events common to all internal engines. 1. Intake, where a blower forces air around into the cylinder. 2. Compression, squeezing air into a small volume. This is when fuel is sprayed in the chamber. Ignition, the heat of compressed air ignites the mixture of air and fuel. This does not have spark plug. Power, forcing the piston downward. Exhaust, removing the burnt gases, all in 2-stroke. The whole process is a cycle. Everything is back in place where it started, ready to run again. That's end the basic principle, 4-stroke and 2-stroke diesel engine. Four-stroke and 2-stroke diesel engine, by the use of principal components, internal components, most of the components have similar design. Diesel engine components are exposed to high operating temperature, pressure and force than petrol engine of the similar size. Their compressional operation ratio are high and their open design are to upblast than petrol engine. Their engine parts are heavy or more rugged than those of similar output petrol engines. Diesel blocks are made of cast iron and heavy than petrol engine. The shape of the block used extended below the center line of the crankshaft. This adds strength and durability. Machined on is the cylinders which are formed of detachable sleeves of liners. It is sealed one end by a deep section piece of metal or alloy called cylinder head, which houses the valves and injectors. Most cylinder head diesel engines are cast iron. Depending on the engine design, single or multi-hand can be used. Most multi-hand avoid large cast iron apart from being heavy, arrive to distortion. For the 4-stroke and 2-stroke have passages casted on its hand to carry oil for application and water for cooling. The combustion chamber can be formed in cylinder head or into piston crown. These chambers are different from those of petrol engine. That is because for diesel fuel is different from petrol, and so that where it is ignited. In petrol engine, fuel already mixed with air in the cylinders, a spark plug ignited. That is why petrol engine are called spark ignition engine. In a diesel engine, only just air first enters into the combustion chamber, then fuel is injected, ignited due to the heat of compressed air. That's why diesel engines are called compression ignition engine. Injectors are mounted into the cylinder head so that they regime to the combustion chamber. They inject fuel into the chamber into atomized form in a fine spray. Atomize a fine fuel burn sufficiently than the liquid fuel. Different spray are used depending on the shape of the combustion chamber. In a 2-stroke diesel, an air pump called blower provides a clean incoming air at a pressure slightly above that of out exhaust gases. The blower delivers air in an airbox surrounding the cylinder. When the piston uncovers the inlet port, air enters the cylinder through a number of them around cylinder walls. This fills the cylinder with fresh air, helps to blow out the exhaust gases. Removing exhaust gases is called scavenging. With effective scavenging, diesel engine lose efficiency. How scavenging occurs depends on the design of cylinders and ports.